Every year, as December approaches, a quiet transformation begins across the southeast Nigeria. Roads that were once calm become busy again. Villages that felt distant suddenly feel alive. Cities grow louder, brighter, and more colorful. This is the festive season in the southeast. For many, it is a time of homecoming. For others, it is a time of discovery. For everyone, it is a season of celebration, culture, connection, and unforgettable experiences. From the bustling nightlife of Owerri and Enugu to the calm waters of Oguta Lake, from the ancient caves in Anambra to the waterfalls hidden deep within the hills of Enugu, the southeast becomes one of Nigeria's most exciting regions during the festive season. In this documentary, we journey across the 5 southeastern states: Abia, Imo, Anambra, Enugu, and Ebonyi, exploring the fun activities, entertainment, cultural events, relaxation spots, tourist attractions, and lifestyle experiences that make this region truly special during Christmas and New Year. This is not a travel advert. This is not hype. This is the real festive experience of Southeast Nigeria. To understand why the Southeast explodes with activities during the festive season, we must first understand the culture of the people. For the Igbo people, December is not just a holiday, it is a cultural reset. It is the season when sons and daughters return home from Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Europe, America, and beyond. This tradition of returning home is deeply rooted in Igbo identity. No matter how far one travels, home remains important. December becomes the period when families reunite, old friendships are rekindled, community bonds are renewed. It is also the season of weddings, title ceremonies, community meetings, church celebrations, and end of the year Thanksgivings. Because of this, the entire region enters a festive mode that lasts from early December well into January. Businesses prepare months ahead, hotels get fully booked, event centers operate almost daily. Roads see convoys of families returning. The Southeast does not sleep in December. One of the most noticeable changes during the festive season is the explosion of nightlife and entertainment. Owerri, the capital of Imo State, becomes one of Nigeria's most active entertainment cities in December. Nightclubs, lounges, and outdoor bars come alive almost every night. Live bands perform high-life classics. DJs host Afrobeat and Amapiano nights. Comedy shows and concerts fill up event centers. Places like Ikenebu, World Bank area, New Owerri become hotspots for fun seekers. December in Owerri feels like a continuous party, one that blends music, fashion, food, and social energy. Enugu. Enugu offers a slightly calmer but equally rich nightlife experiences. Here, the festive season is a blend of live music, cultural performances, high-end lounges, Christmas concerts. Events often take place around GRA Enugu, Independence Layout, Nike Lake Axis. Enugu's nightlife appeals to those who enjoy elegance, conversations, and music without chaos. In Aba, Oka, and Onitsha, nightlife spills into the streets. Pop-up bars appears, street DJs set up speakers, crowds gather around food vendors. Entertainment in these cities is raw, energetic, and deeply native. December in the southeast is also a food season. As families return home, kitchens stay busy. As friends reunite, food becomes the center of bonding. Street food culture thrives. At night, you'll find suya joints packed with customers, grilled fish spots filled with laughter, palm wine sellers surrounded by groups. Popular local dishes dominate the festive menu. Abacha, isiewu, nkwobi, ofe nsala, ofe Owerri, ofe onugbo, ugba. In cities like Aba and Owerri, night markets operate almost daily. Food becomes more than nourishment, it becomes an experience. If you attend one Igbo wedding in December, you may feel like you attended a festival. December is the peak season for weddings in the southeast. These weddings are colorful, loud, fashion-filled, and lavish. Outdoor receptions fill large open spaces. Live bands perform throughout the day. Guests spray money generously. Beyond weddings, villages host family reunions, age-grade parties, end-of-the-year celebrations. Each event becomes an opportunity to socialize, reconnect, and celebrate success. Oguta Lake Resort becomes one of the most visited destinations in December. Families come for boat rides, picnics, photography, relaxation. Owerri hotels and resorts record full occupancy. The Ambari Cultural Festival attracts visitors interested in culture and leisure. In Abia, Azumini Blue River offers a calm escape from city noise. Its clear waters and natural scenery attracts tourists and families. The National War Museum in Umuahia becomes a learning destination for visitors. In Aba on the other hand, showcases fashion, nightlife, and street culture. Anambra State offers some of the Southeast's most iconic attractions, including Obunike Cave, a UNESCO-recognized site that draws tourists interested in history and adventure. Agule Lake Resort provides scenic views and relaxation. Onitsha Riverfront area attracts evening visitors seeking calm and reflection. Then, the Solution Fun City recently completed Anambra's amusement park. Enugu is rich in natural history and tourism. Ongo Pine Forest and waterfalls becomes a favorite destination for adventurers and photographers. Awon Waterfalls and Monastery attracts both spiritual seekers and tourists. Nike Lake Resort serves as a luxury relaxation spot for families and couples. Ebonyi State is gradually emerging as an ecotourism destination. Obosi Salt Lake reflects the region's ancient salt mining history. Amancho Cave offers adventure for explorers. Abakaliki food culture, especially light rice-based meals, attracts food lovers. The festive season is also a time for families. Children enjoy fun fairs, outdoor playgrounds, church Christmas dramas. Parents enjoy picnics, resort visits, community gatherings. Churches organize large Christmas events featuring choir performances, plays, cultural dances. These activities strengthen family bonds. For nature lovers, the south is upper hills, forests, waterfalls, caves. December's dry weather makes exploration easier. Photographers capture landscapes, village architecture, festive fashion, cultural performances. Adventure tourism quietly thrives during this season. Compared to other regions, the Southeast offers less overcrowding, strong cultural identity, affordable luxury, deep sense of belonging. Here, celebration feels personal. Visitors are not welcomed as tourists, but as family. As the year comes to an end, the Southeast opens its doors. It welcomes sons and daughters home. It welcomes visitors with warmth. It celebrates culture, progress, and togetherness. From nightlife to nature, from culture to relaxation, from food to family. The Southeast during the festive season is more than a destination. It is an experience. If you enjoyed this documentary, like this video, subscribe to 1010 Media, and share it with someone planning to visit the Southeast this festive season. Tell us in the comments, where are you going this December?